Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant message notifications from Pinterest and want a little more peace and quiet, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable push notifications for messages on Pinterest with the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Next, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture, usually found at the top of the screen. This will take you straight to your personal Pinterest page, where you can see all your pins and boards. Now, look for your profile picture again at the very top and tap on it. This will open up your profile options and settings menu, where you can control everything related to your Pinterest experience. From here, find and tap on the notification option. This section manages all the alerts and updates Pinterest sends you, so it's the place to be if you want to cut down on distractions. Scroll down until you see the social section. Under social, you'll find an option labeled Messages. Go ahead and tap on Messages to see the notification settings specifically for your Pinterest messages. Here's the final step. You'll see a toggle switch next to Push. This is what controls whether or not you receive push notifications for new messages. To stop getting those alerts, simply turn the toggle off. Once you do, Pinterest will no longer send push notifications to your device whenever you receive a new message. And that's it. You've successfully disabled push notifications for messages on Pinterest. Now you can browse, pin, and get inspired without any interruptions from message alerts. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter Pinterest experience.